behaviour that they do. It's something we never actually even had to teach her. It's instinct. She hatched out of her own egg with this knowledge. And you are lightning super speed today. You did a good job there, Slam. So quick. You know what, it is pretty cool though to see a bird achieve a goal like this, and it makes you go to think we're probably closer to humans as well, and primates that use tools as well. Now, the birds we've seen so far are ones that you find out and about during the daytime. But what kind of birds do we think of when we talk about a nighttime hunter? Owls, yes, that's exactly right. And you know what, even though owls have got a pretty amazing eyesight, their prey's not always
another bird's going to come.
But a keen sense of hearing and the ability of almost silent flight are just two of the very many adaptations that these owls have for trying to find themselves a meal. I have a feeling we're having some technical difficulties, so that's bad. Got to wait for the door to open before this bird is actually able to fly. But the bird that we're going to be introducing you to is a barn owl. Having troubles? This is Brendan, everybody. He's going to be my saviour. There we go. Nice job. Alright, so one of the abilities that this bird also has is the ability of that silent flight. So use your ears, see if you can hear anything at all. She comes on down to stage. Nice. Now this here is rape, and barn owls are probably one of the more common owls found close to people all around the world. So it really doesn't matter where you live, always take that opportunity to look up, because you might see one of those beautiful birds flying on by.
Now, many cultures have viewed owls with fascination and awe, often seeing them as symbols of wisdom, as messengers, and even having the power of prophecy.
Now, the reason why they do have that silent flight is they've got specially designed